Students, welcome to the next video lecture. In previous lecture, we have completed questions 1 and 2 of section E. Now students, we are going to start section F, question number 1. The question is as follows: obtain the regression line of demand on price. The variable before on is demand, so that will be Y, and the variable after on is price, that will be X. So write down first step, let variable X is equal to variable Y is equal to Y will be demand in 100 of units. Demand in 100 units. And X is price in rupees. X is price in rupees. The table to obtain regression line of Y on X is as below. Students, we note down the values of X and Y. 38, 36, 37, 37, 36, 38, 39, 36 and 38. So we'll write the totals. Then Y 12, 18, 15, 12, 17, 13, 13, 15 and 12. Okay, now students, the totals of X and Y are 335 and 127 each. 335 and 127. Okay, so let us operate X bar and Y bar. Students, now I am writing here X bar is equal to sigma X upon N 335 divided by, let us count the number of pairs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And Y bar is equal to sigma Y upon N, and that is 127 divided by 9. So the values of X bar and Y bar are 37.22. This is 37.22 and this is 14.1. Now students, the regression line of Y on X is Y cap is equal to A plus Bx. Formulas to find constants B and A. B is equal to N sigma U minus sigma U into sigma V upon N sigma U square minus sigma U the whole square into Cy by Cx, and the formula of A is Y bar minus Bx bar. Students, unless and until specified, we always go by shortcut method. The first two sum of section E I did by regular method just to revise that method. Now students, we can take here the nearby value to 37.22 is 37 also and it is 36 also, but why I am taking 36? Because 36 is repeated 3 times and that will give us more number of zeros. And for Y we will take 50 because I think 14.11 the nearby value is 50, and these values are not divisible by the common values of X minus 36 upon 1. We can understand V is equal to Y minus 15 upon 1 UV and U square. Students, why I did not take 37 and why I took 36? Because there are three observations 36 and this will give us more number of zeros and calculations will be easy. Even if you take 37 or even if you can take 38, your final answer, students, is going to remain same. Now 38 minus 36 2, 36 minus 36 0, 37 minus 36 1, again 1, again 0, 38 minus 36 2, 39 minus 36 3, 36 minus 36 0 and 2. Then students, 12 minus 15 minus 3, 18 minus 15 plus 3, 15 minus 15 0, 12 minus 15 minus 3, 17 minus 15 2, 13 minus 15 minus 2, again minus 2, again 0 and again minus 3. Then u into v, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 0, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 4, minus 6, 0 and minus 6. And then u square, 2 square is 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, 4, 9, 0, 4. So students, if I write total of all these values, total of u is 11. Total of v is minus 8. Total of uv is minus 25. And total of u square is 23. Okay, now students, we substitute the values. So this will be 9 into sigma u, so minus 25 minus sigma u into sigma v upon 9 into 23 minus 11 the whole square into 1. And students, if I simplify and calculate, our final answer is coming to be minus 1.59. This is the answer of B. Now A will be y bar, minus minus becomes plus 1.59 into x bar is 37.22. So if I simplify, then the answer of A, students, is coming as 73.29. And substituting the values of A and B, the regression line is y cap is equal to 73.29 minus 1.59 into x. This is our final regression line. Estimate the demand of commodity if price is rupees 40. So when x is 40 rupees, then estimate of y is y cap is equal to 73.29 minus 1.59 into 40. Students, if I simplify, this is 9.69 in 100 units. So if I multiply by 100, it is 969 units. We can easily write this as, or even I can write 9.69 in 100 units. So students, this is how we have used the shortcut method. Again, I am reiterating, unless and until specified, we have to go by shortcut method only. Now students, we do sum number 2 of section F. Now, let us erase these variables. Sum number 2. The information regarding the experience in years of 8 workers on a machine and their performance rating based on the non-defective units they manufactured in every 100 units is as below. Obtain the regression line of performance rating on the experience. Always remember the first variable is y. So performance rating will be y and experience will be x. So here also we have to name the variables. So let x is equal to experience in years and y is equal to performance rating. Then students, let us note down the values of x and y. 5, 12, 15, 8, 20, 18, 22 and 25. Okay, the values of y 80, 82, 85, 81, 90, 90, 95 and 97. Okay, students. Now, if I total the values of x and y, these are 125 and 700 respectively. 125 and 700. And correspondingly, let us operate x bar and y bar, students. Total of x is 125 and total observations are 8. So 125 upon 8 and this total is 700 divided by 8. Let us check what is x bar, students. 15.63 and y bar 87.5. 87.5. This is performance rating and this is in terms of experience in years. Okay, students, now let us make the table. In this box also we A and B will change. Now students, our x bar is 15.63. So u is equal to, let us take x minus 15 and v is equal to y minus 87.5. The nearby value is 90 and the remaining two columns are u and u square. Now these values are not divisible by again a common value, so no need to divide by 4. We understand that division is by 1. So Cx and Cy will be 1. Students, we don't have to divide forcibly. If it is not divisible, fair enough, the values of Cx and Cy will be 1. Now students, let us subtract these values. Now 5 minus 15, so minus 10. 12 minus 15, so minus 3. 0. 8 minus 15, so minus 7. 20 minus 15, so 5. 18 minus 15, so 3. 22 minus 15, so 7. Here 10. Now 80 minus 90, so minus 10. Minus 8, minus 5. Minus 9, 0, 0, 5 and 7. Then u into v, 10 into 10, 100, 24, 0, 63, 0, 0, 35 and 7. U square, 100, 9, 0, 49, 25, 9, 49 and 100. So let us take the totals of all the columns. Total of u and v are 5 and minus 20. Then total of uv and u square are 292 and 341. Now students, substituting the values, n is 8, sigma ub is 292 minus sigma u is 5 into minus 20 upon n is 8, sigma u square 341 minus sigma u the whole square, cy upon cx is 1. So if I simplify students, then the answer of B is coming as 0.9. Then y bar minus b into x bar. Simplifying this, students, answer of A is coming as 73.43. Substituting the values of A and B, 73.43 plus 0.92x. This becomes our regression line of y on x. Estimate y when experience of a worker is 17 years. So when x is equal to 17 years, y cap is equal to 73.43 plus 0.927. Simplifying this, the performance rating, students, comes out to be 88.73. So this is our final answer, students. So students, now by this time, students, I am very much, you can say, satisfied that you would have understood. Again, I am telling which value to subtract is up to you, but always locate out a value from this table which is nearby me. So 15.63, so if I remove 0.63, I get 15. Same students what we were doing in correlation. By chance, if you are not able to cite out by which value to divide, don't divide, then also your final answer will come out to be same. In that case, cy upon cx will be 1. Okay, now students, we do question number 3. Yes students, next we do question number 3. Let us read the question. The information regarding daily income in rupees and expenditure in rupees of 5 labor families earning by daily work is given. Obtain the regression line of expenditure on income. Definitely expenditure depends on income, so income is independent variable. So let us start. X is equal to income in rupees and y is expenditure in rupees. Now let us note down the values of x and y. Income is x, so 200, 300, 400, 600 and 900. Only 5 values are given students here. And corresponding expenditures are 180, 270, 320, 480 and 700. Okay students, so total of x and y are 2400 and 1950. 2400 and 1950. Correspondingly, let us operate x bar and y bar. So 2400 divided by 5 and 1950 divided by 5. So x bar, students, is 480 rupees and y bar, students, 390 rupees. students, let us use this calculations. And here also this much is going to change. Now students, as I told you that nearby value to 480 in the table is 400, so we will take 400. So u is equal to x minus 400 divided by 100. Of course, yes, because units place and tens place are 0 each. So all the observations are divisible by 100. Students, yesterday one or two students asked me that by which value to divide. How we will know? That is always based on the spontaneous observations which are given. Most probably if your units place is 0, we divide by 10. Units and tens place both are 0, we divide by 100. And you can say for y, let us take a value nearby to 390 is 320. So v is equal to y minus 320 divided by 10. Because all units place are 0. And then uv, and then students u square. This is how students we go by the calculations. Now 200 minus 400, so minus 200 by 100, so minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2 and 5. So if I total this 7 minus 3, this will be 4. Now 180 minus 320 students. Come on, 180 minus 320 will be minus 140 divided by 10. So minus 40. 270 minus 320 is minus 50 divided by 10. So minus 5. 0. 480 minus 320, 160 divided by 10. So 60. And 700 minus 320 will be students 380, so divided by 10, so 30. So if I total this students, then the final means total of this comes out to be 35. Now students, u into v, minus 2 into minus 40, so plus 28 plus 5, 0, 32 and 38 into 5, students, that comes out to be 190. And u square minus 2 square is 4, 1, 0, 4 and 25. So if I total uv students, I am getting 255. And here students, we are getting the total of u square is 34. So substituting the values, this turns out to be n is equal to 5. Sigma uv 255 sigma u into sigma v upon n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square into 10 upon 100. And finally, simplifying, v turns out to be 0.74. So the value of a will be y bar minus b into x bar. And simplifying students, the value of a comes out to be 34.8. So substituting the values of a and b, the regression line is 34.8 plus 0.74x. And you can say obtain the estimate of expenditure of a family having income of rupees 500. So when x is equal to 500 rupees, estimate of y will be 34.8 plus 0.74 into 500. This comes out to be students rupees 404.8. This is our final answer. So students, now I am very much sure that all of you would have understood the shortcut method of obtaining regression line. And by next lecture, students, we will complete almost all the long sums, and hence students we conclude the chapter. So start doing all the long sums, and now students you are requested to do B.S. Shah long sums of chapter 3. I will message the required information in the group, but start doing B.S. Shah long sums chapter 3. Thank you students.